Alright everybody, here I'm back. The thing is that I just got some of the work. Because of that thing I had to just end the live suddenly. But what is this? My hair. Okay, never mind. Let's continue from here on. And I mainly just thought of working on this thing and was just figuring the mistake out, as simple as that. There was a bug and I hope I have fixed it right now, and that's not true at all. Let me fix it right now. The ID it should be type of string, so let's stringify it. String and the ID directly like this, and over here object ID is on. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. The ID that I actually have over there, this can be either string or this can be types dot object ID and all, as simple as that. Am I still gonna get that here? Guess what? Yeah, I'm getting that. So this is text input. Inside this I will be only getting this string, so I'll stringify it, as simple as that. In that case I should not be facing this error. So over here let's just make sure that it is the only string, and as for that I will be just simply stringifying it the ID, and then I will sending it. So stringify it and then send it. That's it. Not really facing that again. And same thing over here, stringify it and t dot id. And let me make sure one thing. Am I audible and all? Because I'm just busy fixing the things and all right now. So I need to confirm it too, like whether things are actually going well or not. Alright, meanwhile, this much I've already done. Something is already missing. Maybe that's something that's at the top. And this particular thing I'm not quite using it, if I'm not wrong. So let's get rid of it. And now it seems to be okay, at least alright. And cards are here. Deleting. That's okay. Let's. What was that thing? Reload it, login, and using this email. Password is gonna be this. Not really, that's wrong password. Password is gonna be 123. Get started, and guess what? I'm getting bigger. That was sure. I was bound to get that. Slash content. Okay. So let's even fix it. I have to go to my main page, that is home. So page home.tsx. Contents. Okay, one step back, reload the page, get started, and here I am. And turns out things are working fine. Click on add content and I'm getting this. This should not appear, but okay, this is appearing. It's okay. Reload the page. If I click on this, that appears. The content, and if I click on this, and which one is this of? Like FDSF. YouTube link, this is the YouTube link, and then this is the first one. Okay, can't really get the video, but never mind. Ultimately this is the one, if I'm not worried, like if I'm not wrong. How can I fix this? This time it's gonna be fixed. Model, here it's model, and even before that I have cards, and if I go to that particular card, then there is a model for that particular card, and that model appears. Is that so? I'm setting the content at all. Model. If I just remove this particular thing from here, what will happen? Reload the page, click on this, that still appears. Wow. If I click on this, okay, if I click on this, that still appears. That means ultimately that model is appearing. Okay, so the model is the same. It doesn't matter where I keep it. it is right. So one model and different things. Okay. So this is the model I have over here. Same thing I have inside this, inside my content I have this particular model. Even if I remove it, I will have nothing there. Reload the page. Yeah, now I'm not getting anything. So what I want actually, that I need to have it over here, and I have to have some things in the middle as well. Okay. Content, the first content is going to be that is right. The model that I have over here, what is the ID of it? My model 1. How about giving the model the ID? That will be a good thing. That means model ID. Sorry, just suffering from sneeze a little bit. I'm going to give it the model ID. And that's gonna be like this. As for this model ID, we have a type model ID, and this will be type of string, something like this. As simple as that. Once I got this model ID, okay, once it got the model ID, then model ID, this particular part will be replaced to model 1 or something. So model ID, it will be like this. And once I've done this, what is the next thing that I'll be doing? Cards, contents I have, I will be giving it the model ID. Model ID is gonna be model, or let's make it content model, something like this. Content page model. Okay, so content model, content post model, content add model, content add model. So this is gonna be that. And as for the button, where is the button? The button is on the nav bar, right? Yes. And where is the nav bar? Components, nav bar, here it is. This is the one. And over here, where I have the button is not visible at all. That's okay. Daily, this is the logout button. Add content button is this. I'm handling the things over there. Let's go to that particular function, and over here, let's change this name, and the name is gonna be content add model, something like this. And show model as soon as that is clicked. So this thing is done. And now if I click on reload the page first of all. If I click on add content, that appears, but if I click on this, it doesn't appear. That's amazing. That's what I wanted. What is the next model that I want? Next model is gonna be edit model, right? That I have to create. So let's go to card. Over here I have this model, and I will be giving it the ID, model ID. So model ID is gonna be edit. Just what was the first one? The first one was content add model, content edit model. So this should be content edit model, as simple as that. Once I have created this particular model, copy it from here, and content edit model, where do I have to go? I have to go to that particular button. And where is that button? This is the edit button that I have over here. Copy pencil, this is the edit button. Click on edit note, and over here I have to just replace the name like this. And now let's see whether it works or not. And one more thing, that I made it appear, but it will have the values of the first one. Okay, I'll check that. Let's reload the page. If I click on this add model appears. If I click on this, model appears with the values. That means I can change the values and all. That's a good thing. But the thing is that only first model appears. That's the thing. So what I can do, I can actually give it the value conditionally. So this much is done. What I want, that whenever I click on that particular element, at that time this should be visible. Okay, that means whenever I click on that button, this automatically appears, but I have to send the content of that particular button, not the content of the first one. Yeah, so what can I do? that content edit model. There are many models that are on top of each other, whether I'm able to see that or not. So I will be giving it a separate ID. Yes, and that can be done using this amazing thing, because whether I realize it or not, but many models are top of each other. So I'll be making it like this: edit model, content model. Can't I do that properly? Yeah, like this, and then content edit model, and this is gonna be this will be having the ID at the end of the day. So what is the ID of the content? The ID of the content is gonna be like this, and the ID. So content I have dot ID, as simple as that. So it will be having the ID, and same thing I will be mentioning over there. Over here. This is the one, right? So let's get rid of this. Let's use this way of writing the same thing, and just write here like this. I hope no, it does not work. How can I fix it? It can be fixed like this. Just a sec. Content edit model underscore, and then I will be giving the content ID over here. Ultimately the content ID is gonna be the same as of that model. So this is the content ID, the same content ID model has, and using them I will be able to just render that. Reload the page. I'm getting a model with no ID and all, with no content. If I click on this, I'm getting a model with that particular content. Amazing. FDS and all, whatever. FDS, FDS, AA. If I click on this, and that's exactly what I'm getting it, yaar. This is what I wanted. Okay, too happy, I know, but okay, I made it work. That's good. Okay, what is the next thing that I can do? The next thing can be that if I click on it, I got it, and whenever I click on add, first of all, this should be edit. Save. That should be saved. So the next model that I'm actually getting, this one, I'm giving it the model ID and all, and let's give it the type. Type is gonna be edit, and the first one will have type. That's gonna be add. This is the first thing, and let's go here. Let's go to that particular model. Give it the type. Type is gonna be like this. I'll give it the type and all. Okay, getting a call again, that's crazy. Never expected it, but okay, I'll have to just leave.